Hey everyone, Alex here, and today I want to show you exactly how to transform one single long-form video into an endless stream of scroll-stopping clips. We are going to dive deep into Vizard, the AI-powered powerhouse that auto-edits lengthy footage into viral-ready shorts, schedules them across platforms, and organizes your entire content calendar effortlessly. I'm going to walk you through what this tool actually does, bust those lingering myths about short-form content, and reveal the 3 specific clip formats you should be testing non-stop. Finally, I'll take you over the shoulder to demonstrate just how quick and painless this process really is, because spoiler alert, it takes way less time and money than you probably think. Short-form video ads and clips are absolute royalty right now because they grab attention instantly, explain complex ideas in seconds, and showcase the exact outcomes that make people lean in. Think about those genuine smiling faces, the satisfying reactions, or that specific aha moment when a viewer realizes a tip actually works for them. However, creating these clips has historically meant hiring expensive editors, spending weeks learning complicated software, or simply letting your best content gather dust. That used to be the industry standard, but Vizard completely flips the script by doing the heavy lifting for you. Let's start by clearing up some major misconceptions, starting with the biggest myth, that creating a library of high-quality short clips is prohibitively expensive. The reality is, you don't need to pay an editor per clip or rent out a professional studio to get great results. Vizard is specifically engineered to extract those winning moments automatically, which brings your production cost per clip down to almost nothing. Misconception number 2 is that you need advanced editing skills, like complex knowledge of professional timelines or obscure keyboard shortcuts. Forget all of that, because Vizard handles the finding of best bites, adds auto captions, and gives you clean, ready-to-post outputs without any voodoo editing magic. Misconception number 3 is the idea that this process takes days or weeks to execute properly. It simply doesn't, because you can generate dozens of high-performing clips from a single raw upload in just a matter of minutes. Finally, misconception number 4 is that you need a huge, dedicated team just to manage cross-platform posting and scheduling. Vizard's integrated auto-schedule and content calendar features solve that logistical nightmare entirely. Now that we know it's not expensive, not overly technical, not slow, and not team-dependent, let's talk about the 3 specific clip angles you should always be testing. Because you can produce clips so quickly now, you should be experimenting like crazy with different content formats. Angle A is what I call the problem-to-solution format, where you start with a one-line hook that calls out a real pain point. People are desperate for a quick payoff, so hit them with the product, the tip, or the hack that solves their specific frustration. This builds emotional buy-in almost instantly and makes the clip feel genuinely worth the viewer's time. For creators, this could look like a podcast host highlighting a frustrating moment, then immediately pivoting to a cool takeaway. For brands, it's a quick demo that solves a real day-to-day problem their audience faces constantly. Angle B is the real-life usage or lifestyle format, which effectively shows your product or idea in a relatable, real-world scenario. People connect deeply to visuals that mirror their own lives, whether it's sketching a design, walking a dog, or enjoying a morning coffee. That visualization helps your viewer imagine themselves owning the solution, using it, and enjoying the benefits for themselves. Vizard excels at finding those relatable micro moments within long videos so your audience doesn't just hear about benefits, they actually feel them. Angle C is the feature highlight or clever callout, where you pick a single standout benefit and make it extremely memorable. Keep it quick, keep it specific, and keep it sticky for your audience. If something about your product or your specific point of view is unique, make a short clip that zooms in exclusively on that one thing. These work incredibly well as short ad-style pushes or just as tiny evergreen posts in your social feed. Imagine creating all 3 of these types from just one single recorded interview, a webinar, or a long tutorial stream. That is the Vizard promise: to auto-identify highlights, transform them into multiple vertical or square edits, and get them scheduled across your platforms. Alright, let me show you how it actually looks in practice. I'm in my Vizard dashboard right now, and if you've used any modern creator tools, it all feels familiar, fast, and incredibly intuitive. The first step is simple. Just upload your long video, whether it's a 60-minute interview, a product demo, or a podcast episode. You hit the upload button, and Vizard starts ingesting your content immediately. A couple of minutes later, Vizard spits out an entire array of suggested clips. Each clip is a 6 to 30-second gem that the AI thinks will perform exceptionally well based on content quality. They come preloaded with auto-generated subtitles, suggested captions, and precise timestamps for convenience. What's cool is the tool actually shows you why it picked that moment. Was it a strong hook, a laugh, a dramatic reveal, or a clear tip? You'll typically see a great mix: problem-solution clips, lifestyle moments, and specific feature callouts. Vizard even flags potential viral moments based on engagement signals like cadence, emotional peaks, and clear calls to action. From here, you are totally in control of the final output. If one clip has text you don't love, you can simply edit the subtitle copy or tweak the on-screen text instantly. You can swap the frame crop to better show the subject's face or change the thumbnail to make it pop. Need a brand stamp? Add your logo overlay or a quick end card with one click. Want a different voiceover or to mute the original audio and drop in a fresh music bed? It is all done within the interface. All these edits are WYSIWYG, meaning what you change in the editor you'll see in the preview window instantly. One of my absolute favorite features is the Clip Variations tool. Vizard creates multiple versions of the same moment, different caption styles, various aspect ratios, and different opening hooks. That takes all the guesswork out of your A/B tests. You can publish these versions to different platforms or run them as small tests against each other to see what really sticks. Then there's the scheduling aspect, which is where Vizard really saves you time. Instead of downloading clips and manually uploading across different apps, you just set a frequency and let the AI schedule for you. Want 2 posts a day for a whole week from a single episode? Just pick the cadence and Vizard will queue them up. It even optimizes posting windows so your clips go live when your audience is most likely to be active. The content calendar itself is a total lifesaver. You get a clear visual view of what's queued, what's live, and what's currently pending your final edits. Drag and drop rescheduling, bulk edits, and platform-specific previews are all built in by design. If you manage multiple creators or multiple channels, this cuts the chaos down to absolutely nothing. Now, let me be honest, there are other tools out there that do parts of this. Some tools do basic clip extraction but struggle with precise hook detection. Some scheduling platforms are great at posting, but they don't turn long videos into clips automatically. And agency solutions will do it all for you, but they are expensive, slow, and you often lose creative control. Vizard combines the best parts: smart clip discovery, flexible editing, and real scheduling, all without breaking the bank. For example, if you compared Vizard to a super cheap clipper that just slices a long file into equal parts, you'd get lower quality and fewer viral moments. Compared to an editor on a freelancer platform, Vizard is way faster and way cheaper for your ongoing output. Compared to a premium human editor, Vizard gives you massive speed and scale. Plus, you can always take a Vizard clip and pass it to an editor for a final polish if you want that extra level. Here are a few practical tips for while you are using it. First, focus on 6 to 20-second clips for TikTok and Reels and 10 to 30 seconds for YouTube Shorts. Always preview the first 1 to 2 seconds because that is your hook. If it doesn't stop the scroll, change the opener text or crop until it does. Use the feature highlight clips as repeatable posts because those are evergreen and easy to repurpose. Test problem solution versus lifestyle clips to see what your audience prefers. You might find one format gets clicks and another gets saves. If you want a quick demo of what the output looks like, I uploaded a 40-minute tutorial earlier. Vizard generated about 40 suggested clips, everything from a quick tip to a heartfelt personal story. Each clip had subtitles and a suggested caption already. I cleaned up a few subtitle lines, added a logo, swapped a thumb, and scheduled the best 10 for the next 2 weeks in less than 10 minutes. That is the level of efficiency we are talking about. Bottom line, if you're trying to grow on short-form platforms or you want consistent clips for ads, Vizard seriously cuts the workload. It's not magic, but it feels incredibly close to it. If you've got questions about uploading specific formats, how the analytics look, or whether it works for multi-camera shoots, drop a comment. I'll do my best to answer each one. Otherwise, go try it out. Upload a recent long video, let the AI find the golden clips, and schedule them out. You will be surprised how much content one single recording can actually produce. Hope this helps you turn one long recording into a content machine, grow your channels, and free up time for the stuff that actually needs your brain. See you in the next video.